Do you want to know how you can open WhatsApp on your PC using your QR code? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can open your WhatsApp account on your PC using the QR code. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser. Go to Google to search for WhatsApp. Now, you can either download WhatsApp or you can just click on the second link, which is the WhatsApp web. It will give you this QR code on your phone. You can see that what you need to do is first of all open WhatsApp on your phone, tap on the menu on Android or settings on iPhone, and then click on tap link device and then link a device. So go ahead and open your phone, go to your settings, go to your scanner and then scan the code and then press continue on your PC. Go to link a device again, authenticate your fingerprint and then scan the QR code, and as you can see, your WhatsApp has been opened on your PC as well. It might take some while and you can start messaging people. This is how you access your WhatsApp account on your PC using QR code. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.